Hey guys, this is Subhashish Mishra. Today we are going to learn another Python program. We'll see how to write a Python program to check if the given strings are anagram or not. So first of all, you need to understand what is an anagram. So an anagram of a string is another string that contains the same characters. Only the order of characters can be different. So let me put it here. So you can see an anagram of a string is another string that contains the same characters, only the order of characters can be different. For example, you have a string S1 is equal to ABCD and you have S2 which is equal to DCAB. Okay, let me put it inside double quote also. Okay, so basically this is a these two strings are anagram. One string is anagram of another string. Okay, why? See here you see, right, A B C D present, here also A B C D are present, but only thing is the order is different. Okay, here you see it present like A B C D, but in this place it is like D C A B, though all the characters are present here, but the order is different. That is why we are writing here, right, only the order of characters can be different. An anagram of a string is another string that contains the same characters. Here whatever characters present here A, B, C, D, the same character present here also, but the order is different. If I will put a small string, for example A, B, C, here you will see, here I will put for example B, C, B, C, A. Okay. This is also anagram. Okay. So you need to see if the first string or if any of the string, right, if one string has whatever characters and another string should have same characters. Okay, but if order is different, that is okay, still it can be anagram. Okay, so let us see through a program how we can check if it is an anagram or not. Okay, so first of all we have taken one variable, okay, S1. Okay, this is basically a string. We have taken one string S1 whose value is ABC, and then we have taken another string S2 whose value is BCA. Okay. Then what we will do? We will try to compare these two strings, right. So what I will do? I will put if, right, if I will say S1 is equal to S2. Okay. Then what I will do? I will say print strings are anagram. Okay. Then I will say else print strings are not anagram. If you will do this one, what is the problem? Okay. So first of all let us see what it is doing, right. Let us execute and see. See, strings are not anagram, but whatever I have explained to you, right, string should be anagram. Then why it is not anagram here? Why it is showing not as not anagram? What is the problem? See, we are comparing ABC with BCA. S1 is equal to S2. We are comparing ABC with BCA. Is it same? No, because ABC is different, BCA is different. But as for anagram, we are telling maybe it can contain the same string, but order, right, order will be not, order can be different, and in this case order is different, but this two, whatever comparison we are doing here, that is not able to understand, right, whether the orders are different or same. So for that what we need to do? We need to sort these strings, right. So we need to sort these strings. So basically what we will do? We will write sorted S1 and we will say sorted S2. Okay. So what this sorted function will do in Python? This will basically sort your string. Okay. It can sort in ascending order also, it can sort in descending order also. Basically when we are doing this S1, sorted S1, right. So now it will be in this form A, B, C, and when we are doing sorted S2, so B, C, A, right, it will be sorting in alphabetical order. So here also the value will be A, B, C. Okay. Let us execute now. Let us see. See, strings are anagram. Why? Because whatever comparison we are doing, we are not directly comparing both the strings, we are comparing the sorted strings. Okay. So, if we put D, E, F and here also B, C, A, F, E, D, let us do this. See, strings are anagram. Let us put something else, one more, I just added W. See, strings are not anagram. Okay. Because after sorting also this is not able to means this is not matching, right. After sorting this is not able to match, right. That is why we are seeing strings are not anagram. Okay. So, this is very simple program. Okay. If you want to see also like how after sorting what is the S1 value, what is the S2 value, that also you can print and you can see. Okay. So, basically it will show the list of all these characters. Okay. So, I can show you that also. Let me show you, it will be easy for you to understand, right. So, we will say print, let me say sorted string 1, okay, and here I will say this one sorted S1. Okay. Same thing what I will do here, sorted string 2 sorted S2. Okay. Let us run. See how you can see it now, right. A, B, C, D, E, F, basically the list, that is what I was telling you, right. Here A, B, C, D, E, F, W, because W is extra here. If you will just remove this W and run it, see, okay, spelling mistake. Okay. Here you can see it is exactly matching, that is why we are telling it is as a anagram. Okay. So, if you do not want to give the input here, right, if you want to give the user input, then you can say input and here you just put your message, enter string 1 and similarly you can say here S2, enter string 2. Okay. Now, run it. See, here you put your string A, B, C, D, E, F, F, D, E, A, B, C. Okay. Strings are anagram because everything is same. If I will run it again and here I will put for example something and here I will put something else, let us see these strings are not anagram because it is not matching, right. So, very simple program, right. You can use this sorted method and you can sorted function and you can find if given strings are anagram or not. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, please press the like button, share it with your friends. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and watch all other Python programs. I have created a separate Python playlist, right. So, go and watch all those videos. It will be very helpful for you. Thank you. Bye bye.